Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Nakal, this is Gabi, and together we are the Travelmaker Queens.
We are currently in our Airbnb apartment in Chiang Mai, and yesterday we took a cooking class here. Now there are tons of different cooking classes in Chiang Mai. It's such an obvious experience to everybody that comes here, and we want to show you our experience, which one we took and how did we feel with it.
Okay Gabi, let's say the truth, okay? I am a great cooker, I can make things from scratch, and Gabi, well, she can boil eggs and rice. And we wanted to show you how we experienced the cooking class. So join us through the next video. We hope that you would like it and just watch it. So this is our Airbnb.
Chiang Mai is a wonderful city. It has so much to offer, whether you are looking for a short few days trip or for a long-term stay. Except for the cooking lessons, we recommend you to check out the Sunday walking street if you happen to be there on Sunday. After a month of travel in Thailand, we can safely say we visited our fair share of street markets, but this one was definitely one of the biggest and most unique ones, with tons of cool artsy stuff. We also had the best time in the adorable Hedgehog Café, where you get your own tiny hedgehogs to feed and play with after ordering. They are just hilarious, and the food there is on point. Other than that, just scroll the ancient city, and if you want to pick a temple to visit out of the 300 that Chiang Mai has to offer, we suggest the ancient Wat Chedi Luang. It was just jaw-dropping and conveniently located in the middle of the old city. Oh wait, the best way to move around Chiang Mai is by the shared red taxis. The city is filled with them. Just stand on the roadside, stick out your arm to stop a taxi, show the driver the address, and refuse to pay more than 30 baht per person for the ride.
And now to the most important part, the cooking class. We picked the Thai Secret School of Cooking, and it was a great choice. We were picked up at 8 a.m. from our Airbnb by a driver who took us to an authentic local market, where we met our instructor May and fellow classmates. From there, we continued to her beautiful house, which is just a few minutes' drive from the city. The school has an amazing garden where we picked fresh and delicious herbs we used for the cooking, and we even made our own ingredients from scratch, such as coconut milk, out of a coconut of course, and a curry paste. May was very friendly and funny, and definitely very passionate about cooking. She made the experience so much better.
Okay, everything was great so far, but now the real challenge begins. Or at least what is a real challenge for me. We need to start cooking. Each one of us had to pick 5 different dishes to cook from a menu of appetizers, stir-fried, soups, curries and desserts. For each dish, we got detailed instruction alongside with a demo by the almighty May. She was extremely informative and we really learned a lot about each dish we were making. After each one was finished, we sat down with the whole group to eat. Babe, are you enjoying the cooking class?
I'm full as fuck. Two dishes we already ate. We have
And
to go.
made.
Made, of course. Mine was tasty. Yours sucked.
Thank you. So yeah, we were full AF, but the classes continued. We were barely able to fit in our pants by the end of the day. But who could have said no to the tasty traditional Thai desserts we learned to make? And what did we learn in general from this 8-hour course? Well, Nepal learned to make some amazing Thai traditional dishes, and I learned I have to stay away as far as possible from any kitchen, in Thailand and in any other country, wherever. Maybe I'm just too cool for school. But seriously though, it was a great experience for both of us, and we can't recommend it enough.
One last thing we suggest you absolutely do not miss in Chiang Mai, and a good way to end the cooking class day is to check out the amazing rooftop of the Maya Mall, which is a great shopping mall by the way. The rooftop and the city views were incredible in the sunset, a great end to a great day. If you also want to involve some alcoholic drinks in one of the bars there, well then, great minds think alike.
So, this is our last night in Chiang Mai, in Thailand for now. And we are super sad but yet super happy to go to the second location, second country. Don't tell me. Okay, I won't tell you. And we're closing the night. See you later.